friendships are super important, and I'd like you to know that the top 5 females you spend your time with have the opportunity and the power to determine the course of your life. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you 6 women to avoid in the course of your lifetime. Do not have relationships with these women, or else they will destroy your whole life. Watch to the end, as the fourth one will marvel you like you can't believe it. Hi there, if you're seeing me for the first time, welcome. My name is Makwa, aka the Poise Doctor. I talk about relationships, how to attract good men, and in turn have a healthy relationship. Welcome to my channel, and we're just going to dive in quickly. Alright, let's go. For the sake of this video, I give these women names so that you do not forget them. Number 1 woman you should avoid like plague is Gogo, the gossiper. Now, Gogo is a kind of woman that has a story to tell you about everyone. And every story she tells you is different. She doesn't peddle the positive stories. She carries the negative gist. She tells you about this person and that person, and all these stories she tells you are to incite negativity and hate. She makes you know that kind of friend that you inherit the person they hate. That's in his stupidity. You inherit someone's hate for another person. So Gogo is a kind of gossip who makes you hate other people because of what she said about them. The problem with these kinds of people is that as they gossip to you about others, be sure that they are gossiping you to other people and destroying your name in similar ways they are doing to others. Number 2 woman you should avoid is Dezzy, the drama queen. Oh, she always has this drama going on. Oh, this guy dumped me. Oh, this girl slapped me. You don't even know what's going on. They stole my money. 419ers, they stopped me on the way the other time. My mother died. She always has emotional stories to tell you. She's made you her emotional jumping ground. So each time you're just listening like, oh, sorry. You're always advising, you're always counseling. But the moment she finished dumping on you, she just exits. She runs away, and you never hear again from her until she comes up with a new gist which will depress you or make you feel pity for her. Dezzy, the drama queen, also takes your spotlight. When you guys get in an environment where a lot of people are hanging out, she's all this drama. Oh, she's that type that will drop her post so that a man will pick it up for her. She's the one that wants to be noticed. So each time you get in an environment, you never get any attention or spotlight because Dezzy steals your shine. Dezzy is that one that competes with you. Aside from the fact that she's made you emotional dumping ground, she competes with you per time. There's this guy that likes you. Oh, she's going to be all over in his face so that she gets noticed. She's that type that throws herself at men. You don't want to keep this kind of woman in your life. Then we have the 3rd woman, Naza, the queen of negativity. Now, she doesn't believe that anything is possible. Everything you are just saying, I know, but let's just try it to not work. She's always negative. And you, a ball of positivity, will be drowned where negative people are. So whenever you share your dreams and aspirations with her, she'll give you 101 reasons why it will not work. She'll be like, I beg, forget that thing, no go work, you no get money, you come from poor background, who will help you, you're not connected, how do you want to do it? So she never sees the light at the end of the tunnel. She never sees there is a flicker of hope anywhere. She's always negative, and each time you spend time with her, you are down spiritually or otherwise. This kind of person is that kind you should kick out of your life. The reason I'm saying this is because a lot of us have had these friends from our childhood. So I'm like, oh, I can't cut her off. She's my childhood friend. We've known since primary school. We've been friends. But then how is she contributing to your life? What kind of person is Tekena the taker? her hands are always open to receive and take from you. She never has anything to give to you. She's always thinking, hey, can I borrow your wig for this event? Can I borrow your dress? Oh, I like your earring, please now give me. Hey, I like your shoes, please, I like your silver shoes, I want to take it for the wedding, please can you lend me? And most of the time she will not return your stuffs and she'll just be wearing them happily. I know you have a friend like that, but the problem, because most of us like giving, the problem is not the fact that she takes. She takes and takes and takes and never gives. She's never there for the tough times. When you're down, you have tough times, she disappears. But when you buy a new shiny stuff, she comes to take it. So she's that kind of, she can't be, she's a fair weather friend. That's the word for it, the fair weather friend. She's never there when you need her. She comes and takes and disappears. She takes from you spiritually, you pray for her, you pray with her. She takes from you emotionally, you're there for her when her family is in crisis or whatever. You're there for her financially because she's always broke. She never has money. So she's always borrowing from you, and because you're a good friend, you will always give her. And then you're there for her socially. Oh, she joins you, she's your plus one in every event. But when you actually need her presence, she's never there. And the fifth person, Meny. Meny is the men as come girl. There is no man that she's dated that is not come. So she's always, every conversation you have with Meny is men as come. Oh, he did this to me, he beats me. God, no man is good. And tomorrow she's dating another man, going out with another man. But then this her mindset affects you in that you now begin to even see this calm in your man, even if your man is not calm. But because she's talked about the men as come principle so much, it begins to rub off on you. And if you're not careful, you might even use your hand and spoil the beautiful relationship you have, because you begin to see those traits she describes in her men in your own man when you're not careful. Number 6 is Bukky the betrayer. Hey God, any story, any secrets if you want to know who shares your secret, talk to Bukky. Immediately you tell Bukky, just make sure you add this line. Don't tell another person. No, I'm just telling you, you will hear it tomorrow. These people are betrayers. They gossip about you to other people. They break your friendships behind your back. They stab you at the back. You can never trust them. They are not dependable. They show their faces as your friends, but behind you, they are ready to kill you if given a knife. So Bukky the betrayer comes and is all sweet in your front, gains your trust, and gets your insider story. They get your gist. They get your gist firsthand. Once they know your gist, they will peddle it to the whole world and will add spices inside so that you look terrible outside. It's that thing you're hiding. You have a secret that is really not good and you're hiding it. Bukky will betray you and tell people about it, and she's never sorry. But then she's also that kind that feels like she can waltz into your life and walk out when she likes. See, all these kind of terrible women you're attracting is because of you. You have a heart for people. You're a good person. You look out for others. And this has made people, these terrible forms of women, prey on you, come into your life and destroy you in bits. Some of us are not lucky with friendships. Some of us are very lucky with friendships. But in all you're doing, in all your female relationships, make sure you kick out these people from your life. Don't say she's your childhood friend. She's your childhood friend and you can't cut her off. Cutting off is extreme. Oh, Marco, I can't cut her off. Hey, that girl. But reason this thing, how is she contributing to your life? Once she's not contributing to your life, then she's taken away. And that's the kind of friend you need to let go. With this, I have come to the end of this conversation with you. I hope you had a great time, because I sure had a good time describing Gogo, Meny, Tekena, Bukky, and all of them. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. If you've not liked this video, like it, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and I promise you to bring you more loving content. I'll see you soon. Bye.